shoot him.
Alright. That's it. We're going stealth, boys. Okay.
Stay to the right, guys. Stay to the right.
Gangsta style! Go, boys! Oh, yeah! Good job! Gangsta style.
Debert coming.
Debert coming up.
Debert coming.
Thank you. Pardon me. Pardon me. Look, I'm bleeding.
Yeah, we're going up. Boys, over there, first floor.
I'm not going to spend the rest of the day at the stairs.
I need more stairs. No, stairs.
It gets to that point, we'll go this way.
What's that?
Boys, we got nothing.
No, it's mine. I lent it to him.
Get a slow motion go.
Sorry, man.
You alright?
Yeah. Hit me in my left thigh.
Hit you in the left, what?
My left thigh. We're not gonna pay for that one.
Canadian forces have control of the objective. T-minus 18 minutes. Canadian forces have control of the objective. T-minus 18 minutes.
I wonder why. Because they're fucking cheaters. No one's ever gonna fall.
Ooh. What's going on here, boys?
A little blind firing.
A little bit of blind fire. Okay.
Nothing new.
Nothing new? Well, I can't see anything anyway, so that works out.
Boys, move up.
Yeah, this is where. Moving up? We're probably standing on glass right now.
Stay down, stay down, stay down.
I'm not getting much views here, so I'm gonna... A lot of people, eh? So this is the last game. In a few more minutes, I'm going up to become the bodyguard for Kim Jong. We're just doing a little bit of getting our guns off. We have downstairs here.
Good man.
Definitely sounds like a kill zone.
I'm not shooting. Loading! Dead man! Guys, careful the glass!
I don't think I can get out of this corner now.
Well, that just flew. Oh, because I was like, why is that?
Guys!
Yeah, someone's gonna jump there.
Keep that in that room.
Where is it?
I was gonna pick it up.
I'm gonna fucking reshave right here.
Allison, keep your head down.
Okay, guys. I'm making the run.
We're covering fire down that hallway. I got a guy 4 doors down to the left, and I got a guy down by those fucking rolls of wire down at the bottom end of the hall.
I'm running to you.
Gotcha. One on the right.
Thank you. Oh, this looks fucked up. All sorts of fucked up.
Don't be too far because they're gonna fucking lit you up. Let's not bust up in there. Hey! I can hit. Yeah. Hey! Can we go around the back? Fucking keep the fire on. Keep the fire on.
Watch out.
I see the guy's gun right there. Come on, stick your face out.
Here, let me buy. Cameraman coming through! Cameraman coming through! Please don't shoot me. Trying to get some photos of you guys too. Thank you.
And then walking!
He's hit. Don't worry.
Yeah, that's all sorts of fucked up. Please don't shoot the camera. Please don't shoot. Thank you. Hey, look at you guys.
You're good.
Oh, we're fucked.
Hey, stop.
Nice prop. How's it going? What's that?
Having a good time?
Oh yeah, every time. This is great. This is a beautiful facility. I hope you let us use it again. Or whoever it is.
We're working on that.
You keep working on that. Hey. What's that? What are you talking about? We're fucked. You can't get down that staircase.
I just want someone to come right through here so I can...
I can run down the end. I have to fight through a lot of guys to get to you, Bo. Cameraman coming through. Cameraman coming through. Please don't shoot me. Cameraman.
If you need more guys, just let us know.
Cameraman. You can just hear the BBs just falling down this hallway. Our forces, the valiant North Koreans are down that hallway shooting this way, and they're all landed down here. I think we've hit the bottom. Make my way upstairs.
Yeah, it's not worth it. It's not worth your head. Huh? It's not worth your head going out there. How many of you
I can try.
Bring it back. Bring it back.
Stop shooting and say again. You need help over here. Fall back.
Cameraman,
Guys, we need backup.
cameraman coming through. Cameraman, cameraman.
10 minutes left. Canadian forces have 10 minutes left on the objective.
Friendly. Camera. Camera.
Lights off! Don't give your shadows!
Don't shoot me. Camera. Camera, don't shoot me.
Lights off! Frank out! Frank out! Nobody has to fucking with the guys who are on the phone.
Yep.
Camera, don't do it.
Nobody's been shooting from them the whole time, so. Never right about that.
No, I'm fine. I'm fine. I am right hand side.
We got this all the way locked down.
Alright, we'll move to the next one.
These rooms are all clear. These rooms are all clear. This hall is clear.
Hallway's clear, hallway's clear.
All is clear?
Clear.
This hallway is ours. This hallway is ours. Hallway is fucking objective. Right down here.
Where?
Fucking do it. Right fucking in here.
We've had this hallway for
Not in here.
Tom, where are you going?
Stop going downstairs at 238, but
Yeah, 238's right here.
Yep.
I wasn't told that. We've had this hallway for a while.
hey, they turn the power on.
More than enough guys on right.
238. 238.
No one told me.
Yep, that's it. That's the one on the map.
This is the fucking objective right here.
You guys good back there?
Well, radio admin, let them know.
This is the fucking objective right here.
So we've had it the whole time.
Yes. How the fuck is that? How the fuck are they?
I'm laughing at you because I'm filming you. Good job, guys.
To the North Korean respawn. I say again, admin to the North Korean respawn.
That guy's still shooting through that room?
Room 238 is the objective.
Yeah, but they already turned the power on.
Oh.
That's the objective the whole fucking time.
So where the fuck
That's the objective is actually right there.
Hold on, there seems to be some sort of miscommunication.
Never mind. Cancel on me.
Now it's downstairs. But that room
Field repair?
Yeah.
Right on, man.
The butt on my solder, there was a pin there a long time ago. It fell out, so
Oh,
the
for
fucking...
fuck's sakes.
Yeah.
You got handyman's tape, though, so.
Fucking going through it like there's no tomorrow.
I field repaired my first AK airsoft weapon with twigs and that shit.
With what?
Twigs and electrical tape, and kept going.
This is my backup gun. My other gun fucking Friday.
Yep.
This Friday.
Oh, man.
I was test firing it and I loaned it out a couple of times. And it was sounding funny. Tore it apart and the gears on my pistons were shredded.
Yeah, that's what my saw did, just outside.
Yeah. Just shredded.
By that door.
Yeah.
There's 4 guys waiting by the door over there.
Oh, really? Alright. Kim Jong-un's waiting for me.
That cocksucker better brand. Everybody get in and respawn quickly. The Juggernaut is spawning in a moment. We got a lot of guys out there. Guys, what is going on?
Kim Jong's about to spawn.
One guy got all of us.
Make a hole, gentlemen.
He was sitting there and like they were hitting my shoulder and I was like,
You got 3 minutes.
One of them has an LMG because I just got lit up all over.
I said 6 after, right? That's what we agreed to?
Can't say anything. The guy was going to go send it early.